Hi everyone, this is the second prototype I have tested in course DECO 7230 Digital Prototyping at the University of Queensland. This prototype is a product that reminds people to maintain polite social distance. This test focuses on, before wearing the product, the user needs to personalize the attention distance and be familiar with the gestures that trigger the changes. First, I will set up the software environment needed for the test. Connect the ultrasonic rangefinder to the UNO R3 board. Change the distance between the hand and the ultrasonic rangefinder. We can see the numbers below change in real time, which indicates a successful connection. Next, run the code for gesture recognition in PyCharm. We can see that when I make the 5 fingers open gesture, the number is 5, while the other gestures the number is 0. This is because only the 5 fingers open gesture can trigger the change. Now, all the preparation is done. Let me run it in Unity. Using styrofoam and rubber bands, the physical prototype was secured to the left rest as shown in the video. In the test, in order to control the variables, users were uniformly arranged to wear the sensor on their left hands and make gestures with their right hands. In practice, there is no restriction on left or right hands, and both hands recognition are supported in the code functionality. The user's elbow is placed on the countertop, and the side wearing the sensor faces the computer camera and stays on the same level as much as possible. The preparation is complete. Now the user begins to experience the prototype. The first step, define your stressful distance and an emergent gesture that corresponds to it. Specifically, when you move your right hand to the stressful distance and make the gesture, the product wall on the left hand will be triggered to change accordingly. And then, without making any gestures, move your right hand between the product and the computer camera to the stressful distance and then stop. Finally, make the expected gesture with your right hand. See if the model in the Unity changes. If not, try to make other gestures until the model changes. To make sure the camera can capture the gesture, move your hand slightly to explore the trigger. A change in the model can only be triggered if the correct gesture is made at the set stressful distance. The idea of the test is to evaluate whether this gesture is suitable by analyzing the user's exploration process of the correct gesture.